In this video, we are going to discuss about incomplete dominance and codominance. In previous lecture, we studied about the Mendelian principles. These Mendelian principles or laws are studied with help of example or the cross between the pea plants. And all the 7 contrasting characters are truly breed and giving a similar results. But same experiments when done with another plant as well as animals, these results get changed. And this variation shows failure of some laws. Out of that, first one is law of dominance. It is failed, and then the concept, that is incomplete dominance, codominance, are studied. Incomplete dominance is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for particular trait is not expressed completely over its paired allele. In this experiment, the parents are used are pure breed, one dominant that is producing red flowers, another one is producing recessive which is producing white flowers. This is example of snapdragon. In this case, the phenotype of heterozygous individual is intermediate between those of two homozygotes. That is, these parents produces F1 which cannot be produce a dominant parent's flower color. It is not a red, it becomes pink. That is intermediate development, no dominance, no recessiveness. If selfing is done, these all F1 pink flowers after selfing produces F2 generation, which is showing a phenotypic ratio 1:2 2:1. That is, the first digit, that is dominant phenotype 3, is divided into 2. Homozygous plants only produce a red flowers. Heterozygous plants produce a pink flowers, and homozygous recessive plant produce a white flower. This is true for another some plants like Mirabilis jalpa, sweet pea plant, in some animals also. Hence, this is called as incomplete dominance. This can be well understood by the next diagram. In this diagram also show a representation of same example and producing 1:2 2:1 ratio in F2 generation. The incomplete dominance shows that alleles of red and white colored flowers were unable to dominate the other, thus resulting in incomplete dominance. Thus, the law of incomplete dominance says that when none of the two alleles exerts complete dominance over the other, the offsprings will be a mixture of parents phenotype. Hence, F1 has pink colored flowers. Aside from the flowering plants, incomplete dominance takes place in human beings and animals as well. One such incomplete dominance example in human being is that the growth of wavy hairs. Incomplete dominance is when a dominant allele or form of a gene does not completely mask the effect of recessive allele, and the organism's resulting physical appearance shows a blending of both alleles. It is called the semi-dominance or partial dominance. The mechanism of incomplete dominance occurs because Neither of two alleles is completely dominant over the other. This results in phenotype, that is combination of both. Gregor Mendel conducted experiments on pea plant. He studied on 7 characters with contrasting traits, and all of them showed a similar pattern of inheritance. Based on this, he generalized the law of inheritance. Later researchers repeated Mendel's experiment on other plants. Shockingly, they noted that F1 generation showed variation from the usual pattern of inheritance. The monohybrid cross resulted in F1 progeny which didn't show any resemblance to either of the parents but intermediate progeny. Next variation is codominance. Co means cooperative work. Codominance is known as alliance or relationship between two alleles of genes at a locus. It is the interaction between two distinct versions of the gene. In some cases, both alleles dominate together and neither allele can mask the effect of the other alleles. This phenomenon called codominance. Codominance occurs when two different traits are both expressed alongside with each other. The well-known example is roan coat color in cattle, or in another term, coat color of Holstein cow. This example shows the codominance in development of color of coat. Cattle can be red or white. Red means all red colors are present on body, denoted as a capital R, capital R. White denoted as capital W, and has all white hairs in coat of body. And roan color means RW genotype, red and white hairs together, which is seen in this photograph also. This example can be understood with help of this slide. Two parents which are purely for red and white in coat colors, they develop a F1. All F1 has both type of hairs on its body, and it is called as roan coat color. Codominance is heterozygous condition in which both alleles at a gene locus are fully expressed in the phenotype. Alleles which show an independent effect are called codominant alleles. In codominance, neither phenotype is completely dominant nor recessive. In codominance, both the alleles present on gene are expressed in phenotype. These two concepts, codominance and incomplete dominance, can be compared as follows. The codominance is often confused with incomplete dominance. The difference between codominance and incomplete dominance is stubble. While codominance is and incomplete dominance both result in different phenotypes. Codominance results into two phenotypes being expressed in different parts of the body of animal. For example, Holstein cow or roan color, it has black and white spots or red and white spots on the coat. This results from the white allele and black allele that fully expressed in different parts of the organism. In this way, law of dominance is failed and it is called as the neo-Mendelism.